Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be doing some kind of really special nails this time, which is kind of mixed colorful French ombre nails, and it seems like they are really difficult, but I will teach you an easy way to do it. This is like my personal tip that I'm going to show you today. I have never ever seen somebody doing this, but I learned it by myself. Like, this is how I do it. So let's get started. First, I've applied this Madame Glam gel polish, which is their rubber based soak of gels. Then for different colors, I'm going to take these LA Nail Reserve nail gel polishes. They have huge variety of nail colors that are really pretty and vibrant. Then I have added that rubber base on all of the colors that I've taken out for the French ombre color, which is like going to make them really natural, and yet they can get blend easily in the color themselves. Now I have taken this mini sponge and I am going to slowly apply the color on the nail. You can see this seems a little difficult, but it's not. You can see how I'm actually doing it, just applying the color on the top of the nail and blending it with this sponge, which is kind of an easy thing to do. You get this sponge with every powder, any kind of powder you buy from any store. They always add that sponge. You might be having so many sponges at your home, so you can use them like this, and you can follow the same step on all the colors. Now they are done, so I am going to dry them under lamp, and then I'm again going to apply the same process with all of the nail colors. See, they are dried. Now I'm again going to put that same color on the nail and slightly just same thing that I'm going to do, like dabbing the sponge on the nail just to create the ombre effect. Okay, now I have taken this rubber base on the plate and I've added this base gel on the plate. This base gel you can buy from any good company. This is by Boston. I'm mixing it in. After like drying that second coat of the colors, I am now applying that gel, rubber base gel, over the gel colors, so it's going to look really blended and also it will look really natural. So you can see how it's done. This is like my personal kind of tip. I have never seen anybody doing it, but I love this trick and I wanted to show you guys like how I do the French ombre with colorful tips. I might also be showing you how I do like the white French ombre, which is also called as baby boomer, in my next coming videos. So you can subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the content I'm going to post in future. You can see now these look so natural and beautiful and pretty too. And if you like this video, then you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.